Happy Friday. It is Friday. That means I haven't vlogged all week, so welcome back to the snaps video. To be like brief snaps because I'm gonna post this probably tomorrow, but it is snowing today like a lot. And I don't like this because on on Wednesday it was like 70 degrees and now there's like 10 inches of snow on the ground. So I'm just not feeling it. But Clover and I are gonna go outside for a quick potty break. Going out for a potty break, and he doesn't look super happy about it. Is the ISO like up super high? It is. Here he is in real light here. He's got a snowsuit on, as you can see. He looks very uncomfortable, but he'll be fine out there. He just needs to be covered because he is the town Swiffer. You can move. You're good. Clover, you can move. You can move. You're not paralyzed. Anyway, we're gonna go out real fast, have a little potty break. I'll film the rest of my kitchen cleaning video, and then I'm gonna take care of my office space in here, and we'll have a chat. We'll hang out together. Okay, that was wild. He came back in, he had the zoomies, he was running around crazy with his like whole outfit on, shoes and everything, and now he's drinking water. What a clown. All right, I'm gonna finish this video and then I will start on my office. Okay, we are in my office. The story is I just want to straighten this up because look what's going on here. I've got like all of this hanging out here. I gotta put stuff away. I got a plant shelf. I have to probably need some neatening up. It is snowing outside, really horrible. And I just have a bunch of stuff that I need to do. The inside of the closet is a little bit of a disaster. We got this going on over here. We just basically have some stuff to put away. It doesn't look too bad over here in this corner, but I just want to shine some plants and stuff before I leave town. I'm leaving town for a couple of days. So I need to straighten this out, and I'm going to edit for like the next 5,000 hours. So while I do that, I'm gonna watch my friend EJ play Stardew Valley. If you guys like some chill gameplay, my friend EJ plays Stardew Valley and Animal Crossing over on their channel. Go check them out. Super adorable. Are they not adorable? Adorable. All right, finally gonna install my Elgato Flex arm and multi-mount that I got in like the last video. I've been like procrastinating so hard on this. Made a huge mess. I was pulling something out of there and like this just got caught on it and fell. The whole thing fell. Does it need watered? Doesn't really need watered. It just was, the whole thing fell out, like everything, like the soil, everything. So it's a mess here. I'm gonna clean that up and move that fern. But the office looks clean aside from that little area. My desk is done. So this arm, this mic arm, that's not a mic arm, it's a camera arm, much better situation than what I had going on before. Now you can't see my mic arm in the frame and it's much closer to me, so I really like it. So I was testing it out. Hello. This is the plant I was trying to move. And it's like all huge and I really want to give this anthurium to someone. It's not bringing me that much joy anymore, although I do love the leaves. They're so cute, like hearts. But there are so many more interesting anthurium out there that I could have instead of this one, like a VGI or, I don't know, something. But look, it's such an awkward shape and hasn't bloomed in like forever. So we'll see. I might hang on to it. We'll see. What a wild week it's been, really, for me. I've been filming all week trying to catch up so that I can take a few weeks off. I don't know how well that's gonna work out because I have so much editing to do, but it's totally fine. So I got this new singing mask to wear during rehearsals for choir, and it did not go the greatest. It was so uncomfortable. It was like right up into like my throat area, which is giving me like a gag reflex feeling. But I decided stupidly that I was going to wear this mask to a solo audition. It's not a good choice. I did get I did pass the audition, and I got a solo, but for a part that I'm not used to, for something in a range I'm not used to singing in, so this should be interesting. So I'm just like trying to navigate how I'm going to do this comfortably, so we'll see how it goes. Hey, I'm flexible. I'm up for, you know, a challenge, so we'll see. So the rest of this weekend, so tomorrow I'm going over to my friend's house to make a recording for an audition that I have to send a recording of myself and like a video of, and I've never made one of those before, so I think I'm gonna bring an extra microphone. I don't know how good the acoustics will be at her house, but I don't really care right now because like I'm just gonna do it and send it off and not even worry about it because like who cares? At this point it doesn't even matter, you know, like if I'm not able to get like a nice room, nice church, I mean forget it. So that's happening, and then Clover's going to day camp. So as spring approaches, I hope things get a little better. Especially since we had a big old snowstorm today. It's still happening. I don't even know what's going on with the weather. It bummed me out when I saw the snow forecast. I was like, oh no, really? Because it was so nice on Wednesday. I was out without a jacket and all the snow had melted from the last storm, and now we have tons more snow, tons. And I just am frustrated, but I feel this way every end of February and every March, all through March. So I'm just hoping I'm going to get through it. It's going to be okay. We're all going to get through this as a whole in the Northeast, and we'll be fine. And then spring will come, and summer will be here, and fall will be here, and we'll forget about it all because fall is magical. So anyway, I'm looking forward to the next few weeks with this next chorus concert. Should be interesting. All right, friends, I did so much cleaning and organizing today. My office feels so good. I love the way it looks, and I just like paid a bunch of bills and deposited a bunch of checks because I'm really bad at depositing checks. That's like one of my toxic traits is I'll get a check and I'll be like, thanks. And then I won't deposit it because I'm like, what if they take the money? Cause it doesn't make sense. But like, I'm always afraid someone's going to take my paycheck back. It's not reasonable, but it's something that it's my toxic trait, okay? Clover, your toxic trait is thinking that every day is about you and that you should be able to play whenever you want. Oh, you're not showing your face now? Is that the game? He needs to be brushed so bad. I didn't realize how much like hair is coming off of him for spring. Oh, now he turned around. He's like, that's touching me. So I think tonight I'm going to go give him a good groom and he's going to hate me for it because he doesn't like to be brushed at all. Right? I'm calling you out. He hates being brushed. He hates being handled and all that stuff. And also the little hair between his toe beans, this stuff needs to be shaved. So I have a little shaver that I just shaved the little hair down with so he gets more traction. But we need to have a little grooming session. Oh, so tired. It's so hard being you. Anyway, Clover and I are out of here for the week. And we'll see you next time. Say bye, Clover. Bye.